Talking about this storm, it is what is on our radar. Everybody's wondering about it here for the upcoming weekend. Next 12 hours, just all about the cold here. The next threat on our radar, of course, is this potential storm this weekend. And when we look at your weekend, Saturday is just fine. We'll have sunshine. And then on Sunday, if we're going to get in on that storm, that's when it would be. So let's talk about it. Doug was asking me about millibars. You are probably going to hear the term bomb cyclone with this one because it is going to be a storm that intensifies rapidly. Here it is on Saturday afternoon, 2 p.m. The pressure going to be about 1,004 millibars. That's not very strong. But look what happens 24 hours later. The pressure drops as this storm intensifies to 971 millibars. And then it gets even lower as we get deeper into Sunday and into Monday. And so that pressure drop is what is going to cause a whole lot of wind. So this storm is going to be a huge wind and wave maker out in the ocean. But when you get that 24 millibar pressure drop in 24 hours, that's what meteorologists call bombogenesis, or what the term bomb cyclone comes from. And that's what this storm is going to be. So we are highly confident that there is going to be a really deep area of low pressure out in the ocean. We are not as confident, though, on a track. And you can see just a couple of our computer models here. This is the European model, taking it farther offshore and just kind of fringing us with some of the effects. The GFS model continues to be a little bit closer. And with this track, it would bring us more snow. So it is all going to come down to the track, how close this storm comes to us. And we're still watching that the next couple of days. It is just still too soon to know for sure. But what I want you to be prepared for is the potential of some more snow. So that means kind of clear out the best you can to make room for it. But also with this storm, strong wind potential. We didn't have that in the last storm. We also have higher than normal tides coming this weekend with a full moon on Sunday. And with that type of wind, wave action, and an easterly wind, we could be talking about coastal flooding as well. So lots on the table. This has the potential to be a high impact storm, but again, it's all going to come down to how close we get to it. So that is what we're going to be watching the next couple of days. In the meantime, skies are mainly clear, but it is really cold. You're heading out the door, and these are your wind chills. Feels like it's below zero in Boston, all the way down to Falmouth. Your wind chill is 12 below in Worcester. The actual temperature is 4 above there, but look at Orange. It is 14 below zero on the thermometer. So it is a very cold start with this deep snowpack. High temperatures today with sunshine struggle to get to about 20 to 25 degrees. Fortunately, the winds are only around 10 miles per hour, but even that will make it feel colder. Tons of sunshine through midday, and then we do bring in some increasing clouds this afternoon. I do not expect any snow showers or flurries here locally today, and we should go partly cloudy tonight. We're back down below zero in the coldest spots tonight, holding at about 10 in downtown, but it's another morning of single-digit temperatures in the suburbs as the cold continues tomorrow. We will do that with mostly sunny skies. We are going to ramp up the cold as we get into Friday. Look at the feels like temperatures Friday morning. It will feel like it is near and below zero by about like 10 to 15 below zero. Actual temperatures closer to zero by Saturday morning. I think many of the suburbs are below zero. And then we will have sunshine on Saturday, but you can see teens to around 20 Friday, Saturday. That is the new injection of cold that is going to fuel this storm on Sunday. Wind certainly on Sunday will determine how much snow we get out of that system, and then slowly pulling away Monday into Tuesday, the weather improves. So it does look like next week we actually get closer to the freezing mark, so hopefully some melting coming in next week.